What's up, guys? I didn't see you there. I was just working on my calculus homework. Anyway, that brings up an important question. Calculus. What even is it? Well, I used to think calculus was the study of change and an important technique for math, but now I realize that it's a weird, convoluted torture ritual that is imposed on students all around the world. So calculus is made up of two main concepts, differentiation and integration.
Hey, do you know what either of those words mean?
Yeah. Integration, that's just the opposite of segregation. So that would make differentiation just like another way to say segregation. So, anyway, you see that the goal of calculus is you want to get rid of differentiation and you want to integrate everything. So it's the opposite of segregation, which is good. And as famous mathematician Mahatma Gandhi said, be the instantaneous rate of change you want to see in the world.
Gotcha. So who invented calculus?
I don't know. Who do you think I am? Some kind of historian? I think it was some guy like Fig Newtons. I think he ate an apple, but he got famous for it. Did he set the record? Did he eat the most apples? I don't know.
Hey, so if you had to sum up calculus in a few words, what would it be?
Well, it's just my opinion, but calculus is like doing a math problem and then realizing it's not even a math problem. It's an incomprehensible mix of Egyptian hieroglyphics, and you're actually an Egyptian pharaoh making first contact with aliens to build the Great Pyramids of Giza.
Hey, is calculus good for anything then?
Well, for me, I don't use it for anything particularly interesting or important, but some people do. Lots of scientists do. For example, biologists. They can use calculus to determine different factors about environments with changing variables. For example, they could use calculus to predict the growth of a bacterial culture in an environment with changing temperature and constantly changing food sources. Additionally, calculus can be used by aerospace engineers to determine and predict flight paths for rockets and satellites. This is because rockets and satellites, nothing stays the same about them. Rockets, they're constantly losing weight from using up gas, and they're constantly changing speed, and they're constantly accelerating at different rates. Additionally, calculus can actually also be used by the police. What the police can use calculus for is to determine if someone was speeding. By the mean value theorem, in certain instances, even if at all recorded points someone is determined to have been going below the speed limit, it is possible, based on how long it takes to get between these points, that they could have been speeding between these points.